The Transportation Department launches a nationwide crackdown on fixers and fake license syndicates as part of the president's push for cleaner and more credible governance. Despite his courtesy resignation, Transport Secretary Vince Dizon remains at the helm, spearheading a reform drive that could rebuild trust in public services and reduce corruption risks across the sector. Our mobility correspondent, G. Baroga, has the details.
Seryoso kami dito. Baka iniisip ng iba yung mga ginagawang mga suspension ng lisensya, show cause order, revocation, ngayon lang yan. Hindi. Habang nandito kami sa kwestong to, ang kabilin-bilin ng Pangulo, go after all of them.
The DOTR isn't messing around. Secretary Vince Dizon says they're cracking down for real, and it's not just a one-time campaign. Under direct orders from PBBM, they're going after all forms of corruption and negligence in the transport system. As part of this cleanup, the DOTR and the LTO are fixing long-standing issues, including going after fixers and driving schools that are breaking the rules.
We have already suspended, sir, around 107 driving schools. Just in the last 2 weeks, nahuli na ang audit trail namin yan in various regions nationwide.
The driving schools are located in Central Luzon, Calabarzon, and Metro Manila. According to the LTO, these schools were skipping crucial requirements like making sure applicants actually show up for the training or follow the proper steps for the theoretical driving course. Now, the LTO says it's full speed ahead on making the licensing process smoother and faster.
There are reforms in place that soon we will announce na talagang gumaganda na po ang ating servisyo. Yung mga pagkakamali, yung kulang nung nakaraan, tinatapad po natin yan, dinalagay natin sa ayos.
And while they're fixing the system, they're also going after those who are taking advantage of it online. The DOTR, LTO, and the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group have presented one of the suspects they caught selling fake driver's licenses and PWD IDs on the internet, a violation of the Cybercrime Prevention Act.
Kung ikaw yung gabeta ng lisensya na hindi dadaan sa requisitos ng pagkuha ng lisensya, lalong-lalo na yung practical exam, malaking problema. At isa yan sa mga malaking problemang kailangan natin ayusin.
Yung ating nahuling suspect ay makakalabas na po siya pagka siya ay nakapagpiyansa. So, 10 counts of falsified documents po yung ating naikaso at bawat count po na naikaso natin ay meron siyang 36,000 pesos na piyansa.
As for the bigger picture, Secretary Dizon says the crackdown won't stop anytime soon, and he's asking the public to help out. He encourages social media users and the media to tag transport agencies whenever they spot anything fishy, so authorities can validate and take action. For BNC Mobility, G. Baroga.